You hungry. Girl, I got just the thing. I hope you like cereal, because that's what you finna get.
Girl, you are so ghetto.
Oh my God, don't go in the house. Don't go in the house. Shut up.
Why is she so loud?
You shut up.
Mayete?
I have a right to speak. That's amendment number 1.
Oh my gosh, these black people.
Girl, don't go in the house. He in there.
Shut your freaking mouth.
So is the lady in the red dress her grandma or her mom?
Titty, I don't know. It's my first time seeing this movie just like you.
Is she about to die?
Titty, I just said I don't know. So shut up.
Okay, you ain't gotta be like that.
Well then shut up.
I already seen this movie. Well, girl, don't ruin it for us. We want to see it too. Edward turns Bella into a vampire.
Oh my gosh, man.
Y'all mad?